Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be this makeup look on and how I'm maintaining this new skin, because I have oily skin and lately I've been having dry skin and itchiness and flakiness, and I don't even know what the fuck to do because I'm so not used to it. Not any hate going towards you guys that do have dry skin, but it's just like you having dry skin and then one day you wake up and you have oily skin and you don't know how to maintain it because you're not used to it because you normally have dry skin. It's kind of like that to me, except that I have oily skin and I'm so not used to dried skin. So that is what this video is going to be about. Me doing makeup, me doing this really cool look, and then products that are new that I'm trying out to see how it's working. She's parking because I have her in there. How to maintain this dried skin. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. My little wipes. I did a video yesterday. Yesterday about this box that I bought at Walmart, and it comes with like a bunch of skin stuff. Do you want to check that video out? But I just been getting like really dry right here, and I just gotta clean it all up because nothing is helping. You see like all this dried skin, like and it's like cold outside and rainy. I could stand the cold. I love winter. I just don't like what is it when it rains. Like I hate when it rains, and my ears have been itching, so every time you see me like scratch, it's like the skin right here, and I don't understand why my skin is just acting like crazy. Like I don't know. I'm just gonna do a little quick wash on my makeup. So I have to do a few things today. I'm gonna take you guys with me on continue on my vlog, and yeah, so that is what we are going to do. I'm gonna go ahead, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the lavender just because I feel so fucking good. And then I'm gonna go in with my number 7. Everyone's been asking me about this, like people at the store at Walgreens and stuff, like how do I like it? That's coming out on that doctor show. People are talking about this rather than going getting Botox. How am I liking it? To be honest, I actually like it. I use this every night and every morning, and it feels really tight. Now I don't have wrinkles, so this does say for wrinkles, but it's helping me with like the tightness. It's helping me with like this right here. It used to be a little bit bigger, to be honest. I'm not even fucking joking. And I wouldn't talk about a product if I didn't feel 100% about it or see like a difference. I don't have wrinkles, but I do have an indentation, and this actually used to be a little bit deeper. I don't know why I have an indentation in my face, but yeah, and I just love it. Now, as you can see, I am getting dried, like I was talking about right here. You see how it's red? And I don't know why, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this CeraVe thing that I got yesterday. And it says moisturizes, restores, and maintains protection and skin barrier to dry skin, which I have right here. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit, because I'm gonna put all the areas. I put this behind my ears right now. I'm just gonna put it on my nose area, because my skin is just acting so crazy. And then I'm just gonna apply this on my dry skin right here. See if that helps. Let's put it right there. Formula oil, and see how I'm gonna like this. So it comes like a little drop. Just gonna drop some. And I haven't been using primer in a very long time. One, I ran out, but I'm just like trying a new thing. I'm not gonna go over where I put areas. I'm just gonna like right here and stuff. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's the green one for redness. I'm just gonna do like everywhere. This friend I told you guys about, my little friend here that doesn't want to go away. You know, those people that they want to stay over and then they just stay longer than expected. And this is some green right here. Just little areas where just gonna dab that. And then I'm gonna go in, you guys already know, my Urban Decay. I'm running out again, so I'm gonna go get me another one today because a bitch needs her foundation. That's one thing that I cannot live without is foundation. Like, I need to have fucking foundation or I'll literally have like a shit fit. Because it covers everything that, like, my skin's not perfect and I have blemishes, I have a little bit of scarring, and I look completely ugly if I don't have foundation on. So, my opinion. But yeah, so I'm just like, oh heck no, like I gotta have my foundation. So like my one item that I need to constantly have is foundation. So I've been liking this one. I do want to try the new Clinique foundation that's just came out. I heard it's good, but I also like the 2-in-1 foundation. And I need to get me another one because I actually love that one. I don't want to kind of just, this is my favorite, like I love this one, but at the same time I kind of like want to not just always look forward to this, if you know what I mean. Like I also need to try other foundations. I've just been not doing that, and it's just that it does have so much, like so good coverage, and it like it helps with like, it doesn't like break apart or anything like that. Yesterday or last night it did, because again, like my skin's like been flaky and shit. But and so I have an appointment again. You see how this one's real white? Like that's normally how I usually have it, this white hair right there. So I have another appointment on Tuesday. She's gonna fix it, and then I'm gonna get a hair treatment. The hair treatment is, oh, I love the way the hair treatment is. And then I'm gonna go to her house because she has a machine there. To get this done, like she puts a gel and she kind of like does like, I don't know, it's a freezing or I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go do that because I never went that. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Too Faced. I'm gonna go with the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. This one is Dark Magic. It just looks like this. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and that is so it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick that up. I'm just gonna put it in the crease area because I really don't know what I'm really gonna do as in my eyes. I'm just mainly going with the flow. Weather also that's making me, everyone has getting the flu here, and knocking on wood that I don't get it. But I need to go pick up Jess now because she's been feeling sick, like her ear infection. So that is what we're gonna go do. Now I'm gonna go in with Temptress, which is this dark black, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that black. And it's dark, so I haven't used this like this way that I'm using it right now. So we're gonna go in dark today. Yes, we are. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. So I like this black because mostly some blacks like you put and they change to like a dark green, or they change to like I like brown in it or blue in it, and this one's like really dark. So I really like the way this is looking with the other shade that I have, but it's pretty much dark. Centella, I'm gonna go in with Power Cut, which is this shimmery one right there. I'm gonna go ahead and use all that. I like this palette a lot. You can tell that I use this palette a lot. And I'm just gonna go on the lower lid. Just like back in with the black shade, the same brush. and just kind of fix that crease. Kind of smoke it at the edge. Just sweep this under just to get rid of that stuff. Go this concealer and forward this. Go in with the peach underneath. And just kind of go like around the corners, your nosies. The airspun. Drag it low. And with the little bronze here, because I like this one. And kind of bronze my face. And I'm gonna go in with the State number 615 in NYX. It's like this charcoal gray. I'm gonna go ahead and use this in the waterline. I'm gonna just smudge back in there. I'm gonna go ahead and smudge a little bit of the black from this palette, same palette I use, and just kind of bring it down a little bit. I don't want to bring it too much because I don't want it to look like a raccoon, but for blush, I'm going to go in with a pearlescent pink, which is this shade right here. I like this blush. And these blushes are cheap because they are Wet n Wild. And if you see me for a while on my channel, you guys know that I use these all the time, and they still haven't even hit pan. Like, that is so fucking crazy. So anyway, I'm going to go in with this blush right here. Of course, I'm going to put some of the white in the inner, just to give it a little bit of a pop, like that. Put some mascara. So I've been using the NARS one. I really like it, but I don't like to show you guys because it's like, feel like putting mascara on is like kind of boring. I'm just gonna do one so you guys can see. I really like this one. After using it a few times, I realized that I really do like it. I still feel like my Buxom is a lot better, but it's still good mascara. So I bought this one at Sephora for $11. I know it's kind of a little pricey for mascaras because I know $11 you can buy like a full size at the drugstore. But I really wanted to try this mascara before I spend 20-something on the the big one. And yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply a second layer with the Wet n Wild makeup. This one and this one, I like to add like more than one mascara. I'm just gonna go in with the D11s. I've used these I think twice already, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these. I'm gonna go in with the Kitten Heels from NYX, which is one of my favorite reds. I think my mouth a little bit. So before I even do that, I'm gonna go ahead and go in my highlighter by e.l.f. Just this beautiful highlight. I mix both of them up, as you guys already know. If you don't know, that's what I do. And this highlight I always talk about, it is on the website for $8. Don't know it's still how long it's gonna be on there, but I like this. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this, and I'll be right back because I know this right here. Girl, I love red. She's like, oh, on me. Okay. Anyway, guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I like doing this video, because I love doing YouTube. Like, who, like, if you're not a YouTuber, you don't like doing it, like, who are you? No, but for the reals, I do love doing videos for you guys. And yeah, those are the products that I'm using. They are new, so it's not like I've been using them for a while. So except for like maybe 1 or 2 things, but hopefully these products work for my skin. And so far, it looks good right now. So we'll see how it looks at the end of the day. But anyway, guys, if you are already here, don't forget to like this video because it really helps out a girl. And you're already here, so it's just really cool, real simple. It's not going to take you no more than 5 seconds just to hit the like. So don't forget to like this video if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified of future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.